Good morning, everybody, and welcome to True Once. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive like today, and just make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. All right. Also, if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to go underneath and give me that thumbs up. It will turn blue and light up and the number will change, and it helps me on the YouTube platform to get noticed. All right? Okay, here we go, guys. We're going to start. This is the choice day for the IPSY Glam bag as well as the Ultimate, and then we're going to do the flash sale. So we're going to start with what my choices are that are going to be in my Glam bag. You're able to choose one item as your choice item on IPSY, and that's what we're doing today. So it says pick a product for your October Glam bag. You'll pick and we'll personalize the rest for you. So I'm going to just go here and choose the product. And these are my selections for the Glam bag. This is the $12 a month bag. And it simply says to choose a product to start your October bag, pick the first item, and then we'll personalize the rest for you. My selections are the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrating in Medium Neutral, the Smashbox Oil Shine and Control Primer, the Sunday Riley Auto Correct Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream, and a Sunday Riley Luna Sleep Night Oil. I haven't tried any of these products yet that are up on that first line, except for the Sunday Riley Luna Sleep Night Oil. This is a blue oil. It's a little bit oilier for me. I do have this size and I already have the full size, but if you haven't tried Sunday Riley, this is a nice way to try her product, but it is very, very small. The next item is from IT Cosmetics. It's the Lash Blowout Volume Volume Lift Mascara in black. I haven't tried this one from IT yet. Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Smoky Eye Mascara in black. Benefit Cosmetics Give Me Brow, and they're giving us a couple of choices of colors. And then they have here the Ofra Cosmetics Highlighter in Blissful. This probably looks more like a full size, and I highly recommend Ofra Cosmetics. The Orza, another one that I highly recommend. This is the Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow. I'm going to check if it's one that I already own or not, but I've always been so impressed with their quads, and they're fantastic. The another great one, the Hair Care. This is a Farewell Frizz Milk Leave-In Conditioner. I have the full size of this. This is a very good product. This is a new brand that's coming to them, and it's a really high-end brand. It's called Malin and Gotez. I got a full-size product of it. I haven't had the opportunity to use it yet, but this is their lip balm. And then, of course, there's a full-size brush from this time, SL Miss Glam, and this is a round blusher brush, which I love because that's a full-size item in a bag that's supposed to be a sample bag. So those are the choices that I have for the Glam bag. Now I'm going to see what the choices are for me for my Ultimate, and then we are going to go to the flash sale. So let me just go into the Ultimate, because the Plus bag you can't choose today. That's what you choose on the 2nd. So here we go. Now this is the $50 a month bag that comes with 8 full size and 4 sample sizes, and usually the selections are all full size. The first one's from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Pore Tightening Toner. I've used a lot of Glow Recipe. This is one that I have not had the opportunity to try yet, so that's a possibility. We have Dr. Brandt Skincare Pore Dermabrasion. This is also a really nice product, and it has very, very minor, they're very minute, the grid that's inside of it that helps with the dermabrasion. You just have to be very, very careful. Huda Beauty, fantastic. This is one of her obsessions in Emerald. Milk Makeup, another fantastic brand. This is their hydrating face mask. The Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather, I've gotten this in the past. It is a very pretty palette, but the colors are fantastic for this time of year. If you don't own anything Dominique Cosmetics, she's a YouTuber. It's fantastic. But the colors in this, they came across very light for me. That was what I was trying to think about. Naked Cosmetics, also, this is a loose powder. It's a little messy to use, but the colors in this are fantastic. Belle Argent, another fantastic brand. I'm going to check if this is a color I think I already own. It's in the name 3 Play. The packaging is very Art Deco. It is beautiful, and the product inside is just as beautiful. Complex Culture, another fantastic brand. This is owned by IPSY, but these brushes are the highest end brushes. If you're used to the high-end IT Cosmetic brushes, this is about that level, and this is their precision concealer brush. And then the last item is from Sweet Chef. Also, another brand that I got introduced to, and I'm enjoying their serums, and I have enjoyed these masks as well. And this is a set of 3, which I own and I have enjoyed. So those are my choices that I have for that. Now let's see what we got going on in the flash sale. So I'm going to go to the Glam Bag Plus because there'll be no options there. So when I go down here, instead of it saying choose a product, it's saying shop the flash sale. Okay, here we go. So here they have for 48 hours snag free shipping and big savings on these items that you will not find in your Glam Bag. These are also items that ship on their own, so it's a parcel you're going to get before usually you even get the Glam Bags for October. So the first one are these deluxe size duos, and deluxe size means sample size. So this is Murad and Tony Moly. It's a glowing skin duo. Murad, fantastic product. Tony Moly is a new brand to me that I have been enjoying. Ciate London and Generation Clay, it's the Prep and Prime duo. This looks like the sample size of the Prime from Ciate London. It is really a treat. And the Generation Clay is also a fantastic mask. I've enjoyed both these products. Tatcha, another fantastic brand, and if you've never tried her creams, this is where you do it. And another brand that I'm not familiar with is joined up with it, which is a nice way for you to try a new brand. IBOM and RAEL looks like it's a couple of masks. The one that's in the black tube I have used, and I have, when it was in the add-in section, I did repurchase. That's how much I enjoyed it. The masks I have not used yet. Tarte and Dewy Tree is a hydrating duo. I have tried if this is the Tarte primer. It is very good. The other product I'm not familiar with. This is usually the next one, Smashbox and Cosmetics and Morphe. The Morphe is usually a full-size concealer, and if you want to know more information, you click on it, and it will tell you what the color is and more information on the product. Then they have REP and Suntique. It's a morning skincare must-have. One of them I'm familiar with, which is the Suntique. It's a good product as well. Then they have I Do Care and Feel, both really good brands, and they are masks. Then they have a bunch of, and I bought these panda masks. They're adorable. This is also some more masks. And these are all, remember, this is in the 2 for $5. So there might be 4 items in that for $5. Then they have from Too Faced Cosmetics and MOTD, which I'm not sure what that is, but that might be the full-size eye brush. But this is looks like the Damn Girl mascara. For me, this is not my favorite of theirs, but if you want to try it, this is where you try a mascara for $2.50 and get a full-size brush with it. To me, the brush was a little bit too big, but I do have small eyes. Then we have from Mellow Cosmetics and Amy June, if you want some eyelashes. I'm not familiar with those, I'm sorry. Ico and Naked Cosmetics. This looks like it's a pressed powder of the Naked Cosmetics brand, and Ico looks like it might be one of their mascaras. Then from Girlactic and The Balm, it looks like an eyeliner. And The Balm, this is also, these little components of The Balm last a really long time. They're made out of cardboard. They're easy to travel with, but if you haven't tried The Balm, this is where you try it for that $2.50, as well as the Girlactic is a nice eyeliner. I do own that. Then they have a product here from MAC and The Balm Cosmetics, and it's called the Nude Eye Set. I would assume that's their primer. And then Shiana B is another line that I got introduced to through IPSY, also a really good brand. And Pixie Petra. The Pixie Petra I do own, and I do own the Shiana B in the full size. And this is a fantastic kit for $5. Then this other brand called Hannah Lay, also a brand that I have been enjoying and got introduced to through IPSY. And the other one I'm not familiar with at all. And then they have here Serafana Botanicals and the Balm. The Balm, just you'll check which color it is that's available when you go in. But that is a liquid lipstick that's a very matte as well. And the other item is not. The one from Serafana Botanicals is more like a gloss. This one here, this Lovecraft Beauty, I have been enjoying this. I got a duo from them, and the lipstick bullets are beautiful. And then again, it's tying itself up with the Balm Cosmetics, so depending on the color, it looks like it's different than the one before by the face of what's on the packaging. The next one was the Beauty for Real. I'm going to try to get that one again. That I ordered last time, but it didn't show up in my bag. It was the first time I was missing an item in my bag, but I contacted IPSY and they immediately credited me for it. So I'm happy it's here again. So I'll have a second chance to try to get that in my bag. Then from Tarte Cosmetics, if you have not tried the Tarte blushes, grab them. They are, for me, the #1 blushes that I own. They last all day. They're made with clay called Amazonian clay. I put them on, and they are on from first thing in the morning at 7 a.m. when I do my makeup to 11 o'clock at night when I take it off. It is fantastic. The other items looks like it's a fun other product. If it's their H2O gloss, it's also a lot of fun. And to get these two products for $5 is fantastic. Dome Beauty and Lovecraft Beauty, both fantastic lines, both great. The one looks like a bronzer, one looks like a blush. But like I said, more information, just click on. Then Lodi London and Estate Cosmetics. The Estate Cosmetics, I think, is a highlighter, as so is the one from Lottie, but the one from Estate, I think, is the one that's baked. Then from Ciate London and Lovecraft Beauty, also two fantastic ones. And this Ciate London, the way this blush goes on, I bought every single color. It's very close to me to the Hourglass blushes, so it's really good. Then they have here, I'm going to go down just a little bit so we can see what the brushes look like. This Royal and Lang Nickel, which I think is the brand from Moda, and Complex Culture. Two fantastic brands, two brushes, full size for $5. Another brush pair, this SL Miss Glam. This is one that comes with those two cute rhinestones in the barrel, as well as this Arcerelli brush. I've tried a few items from their brand, including this brush, and both are good. $5 for two full-size brushes. Then we have Marc Anthony True Professional and Cake Beauty. Also two fantastic brands. Marc Anthony is a really strong brand in Canada, and Cake Beauty is Smells Delish. This is probably one of their, it says Curly Care Duo, so I don't know about if the Cake Beauty, excuse me, for moisturizers I have used, and they smell fantastic. Then again, they have Marc Beauty and Verb, also two good brands. And then they have this Eva NYC Rated Green Soft and Smooth Hair Duo. It looks again like they have something from Verb and this other Nature Lab Tokyo. I did get some Nature Lab shampoos at one point. I think it was either in Allure or Target Beauty boxes. I tried it and did enjoy it. Kenzie, fantastic. This looks like it is those purse size perfumes. They're fantastic. I have been very lucky that I've gotten a few Kenzie products that are now getting into this body care, which is the perfume side with lotions and perfumes, and they smell fantastic. Then beside it again from Kenzie, this is one of the body lotions that I received, and HAAVA, fantastic line. Everything I've tried of theirs I've enjoyed as well. Then it looks like here they have a nail polish and some nail polish decals, and then Gold Fadden MD and Pretty Woman. So they have a hand cream and a nail polish for there. Now we're getting into the full-size duos, and these are $16. They have from Sunday Riley and Starskin. The Sunday Riley I own. I'm starting to use that one, and Starskin is fantastic products. The next we have from Hey Honey and IPSY by Petra. It's an exfoliator and radiant duo. I haven't had the opportunity to try either of those. Pharmacy and Vintage Cosmetics. Usually when something from Pharmacy is in here, they sell out pretty quick. So if you want this, this is where you get it. Looks like also, remember, these are full-size duos for $16. So you're getting both these products for $8 each. Then they have Juice Beauty and IPSY by Petra. Then they have from Midflower. These are also really, really good masks. And then we have from Hey Honey and Juno & Co. Juno & Co., this is a $6 sponge that I own. So it's being paired up with a more expensive brand. So that's how they're doing these duos. The Smash Box and Flesh. If this is the trio that I own from Smashbox, I'm going to have to check. It is a really, really good one. I'm not familiar with the Flesh brand of products. Then from IT Cosmetics, if this is their concealer, which it looks like, this is a fantastic. You need so little. These tubes last you a very long time, and it's being paired with a blender from SL Miss Glam. Then they have from Pure and Illa Mascu. Illa Mascu is a very expensive brand, and their lipsticks are great. And this mascara I haven't had the opportunity to use from Pure, but Pure is also a really good brand. Ciate London and Colored Rain, two great brands. You can see what the products look like there. The Ciate London looks one that's like that loose glitter, and then you have the pen looks like it's the Colored Rain, which I've learned is made by IPSY, but Color Rain is somehow involved with it. Then from Wonder Beauty, this is fantastic palette, and it's coming with a complex culture. So if you haven't tried either of those, this is a good duo. Beside it, they have from Ofra Cosmetics and Laura Geller, also two really good brands. The Laura Geller is the quad with the two blushes, and the three that are there from Ofra anything I think is definite, but Laura Geller, these are really good and nice to travel with. They're almost like a cardboard. Then from Flesh and ColourPop, this is the Flesh, like I said, I'm not familiar with, but this trio looks like it's the one that was a choice last month. It's a collab that they did with a male, Brett Bretman. If I'm wrong, I apologize. That's what's coming to my head. And then the next one is from Nomad Cosmetics and Flesh. This Nomad has been in and out of this quads. I haven't gotten it. I've seen a lot of girls open it, and everyone talks highly of it. Girlactic and Ciate London, two another good brands. These look like they're both highlighters. And then they have from Trestique and Jules Smith. The only thing from Trestique that I've had the opportunity... No, the only thing from Jules Smith I've had the opportunity to try are liquid lip glosses that were good. This looks like it's eyeshadows from that brand. And this Trestique is it's on a stick. It's a highlighter. So if you like creamy highlighters, that one is for you. Now they have some bundles here, and these are always great deals. This one is called Bright Dewy Skin Bundle. Then we have the IPSY Glow and Go Kit, as well as the DIY pedicure kit, and then the day to night bundle. I'm just going to go into this one here so you can see what I mean by clicking on. And when you go on here, they're saying this is $20, and when they're the full size, they will give you what the MSRP is, and that says it's $118.58 that you're paying $20 for. Then they give you more information on each one of the products. So you're getting the Huda Beauty Obsession Palette in Coral, the NYC Professional Makeup Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. I was not overly impressed with this. I really wanted this for a long time. I ended up getting it in a kit, and it really disappointed me. My want, I think, was a little too strong for what the product ended up being, but the Huda Beauty in Coral is stunning. Ofra Cosmetic Bronzer in this one also I own and I'm enjoying. Luxie Beauty. This is a tapered brush in Periwinkle. I think I own that as well as the Shayna B. So that's a bigger picture of what those are. And like I said, this is $118, and 58 cents for really known brands for $20. So I think these are all absolute win-wins. So I'm going to go do some of my choices now and do some of my purchasing. And then hopefully you guys are now going to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell, and then you will see my unboxings when we do them live here. All right. Once again, everybody, this is the IPSY choices for the Glam bag, as well as the Glam bag Ultimate, as well as the flash sale. All right. Once again, everybody, I appreciate that you take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. So thank you. I hope everyone gets their choices, and I will see you all soon. Continue to stay safe and well.